Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
From everyone at the station, happy holidays.
Happy holidays! Yes, from all of us here. Supot yata yung putok, ano? December 31, 2025. Ilang oras na lang, 2026 na, no? Time check, 8:38 p.m. Ayan. Buksan nga natin yung ano. Merong ano no? Merong New Year countdown. Teka. Buksan natin. Sandali, ha? Para nagta-time check tayo lagi, no? Okay? And nagbibigay ng update. Ayan. Ayan ang latest para sa ating mga kababayan. Kami magbabalik makalipas na dumaan ang truck ng basura. Yun, yung mga ganun, di ba? Yung mga ganun. Oh. New Year Countdown 2026. How many hours? We only have 3 hours, 20 minutes, and 50 seconds as we speak. Yan. Naku, mag-iihaw pa ako pag-uwi. Kayo mga tropa, anong plano nyo? Anong gagawin natin for New Year? Siyempre, alam ko magpapaputok kayo, no? Aside from magpapaputok ako sa inyo. Magsaya mga bata. Kanta ni ano yan eh. Baka sabihin nyo, Tommy G, kanta ni ano yan, ni Green Dep. Baka hindi nyo pa alam, no? Si Green Department. Tingnan mo, baka meron dito nun, papatugtugin ko para sa inyo. Total, pang ano naman siya eh, pang New Year naman, tsaka pang ano din siya talaga, pagpapaputok. Okay, tingnan nga natin kung meron, ha? Sandali, hanapin ko, kaya magulo. Search lang ako. Green Dep. Ayun, meron, no? Kaya lang ano eh. Ano to, sa ibang ano to eh, hindi pwedeng i-play dito eh, no? Try natin to iba. Ayan, sandali ha. Green Dep. Ayan, ano bang title nun? Miss You. Kaya nitong New Year. Pasensya na kayo dun sa mga ingay ha. Yung mga motorsiklo dito, nagpapalakasan ng tambutso eh. Ayan, pumapasok dito yung tunog oh. Okay, anyway, sige. Play na lang natin yung iba kung ano yung meron. But anyways, welcome back people. New Year's Eve edition of this radio show. This is Bandera Night Jams and you're still with me, DJ Tommy G. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kamusta ba yung mga tropa ko? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Uy, sa ano ha? Kita-kits tayo sa Subic Bay Food Festival. I will be back there tomorrow. Ako yung kanilang master of ceremonies every single night up until January 4. Okay? Iba lang yung ngayon dahil may New Year countdown. Ayan. The SBMA will be taking care of that. The New Year countdown for tonight. All right? And kahapon we had another successful parada, of course. Taon-taon naman 'yan eh, no. Nakakatuwa lang yung may mga nag-post sa Facebook. Perwisyo daw yung parada. Masyadong matraffic, sana daw maaksyonan. Panawagan kay Mayor, cancel na yung piyesta. May mga naaabalat na peperwisyo daw, yung once a year, no? Well, siguro yung mga nagrereklamo na yan, mga hindi siguro taga rito sa Olongapo, no? Tradition, kasi if you're Olongapeño, true blue Olongapeño, talagang dito ka pinanganak, dito ka lumaki, alam mo na tradisyon na yan, kinalakihan mo na yan eh. Nasanay ka na dyan. Hindi ka magrereklamo ng ganon. Kasi nasanay ka na eh. Kinalakihan mo yan eh, no? Baka maaari mga mga siguro lumipat from another place dati, sa ibang lugar dati, and then naging taga rito na rin, nag-business dito, or dito nakapag-asawa. Ayun, nag-post eh, perwisyo daw eh. Sana, doon ako natawa, sa pinaka nakakatawa doon yung sana ma-actionan. Sana ma-actionan, pambihira. Tradisyon, sana ma-actionan. Shout out kay Kuya Justin Rice. Pare, nandiyan ka pala. Di mo naman sinasabi, di ka nagsasalita. Happy New Year sa'yo, pare. Happy New Year, Justin Rice. Happy New Year din kay Ate Tess Hernandez. Ayan. Are you back in Japan? I was also in Japan. Japan, Nueva Ecija. Kamusta ba mga New Year natin dyan? Naghahanda na? Ingat kayo ha, ingat kayo. Alright? Mag-ingat yung mga magpapaputok. Yung isang putok na lang. Safe yun, safe. Yung nagpapaputok ng kaboom! Nako, delikado sa mga daliri natin yan, ano? Maki-ano na lang kayo, maki-fireworks display na lang kayo. Meron mamaya sa ano, sa boardwalk. Yan, nakasanayan na yan eh. Parang tradisyon na rin natin yan dito, no? Na every New Year, nag-New Year countdown tayo at the boardwalk. Tapos, meron din sa mga ano, sa mga hotels and establishments sa Subic Bay Freeport meron. Tapos meron pang isa sa SM City Olongapo Downtown, yung Perimeter Road ng sa SM Downtown, yung sa gilid, sa Gedli. Tapos may ano pa yan, may mga performers, may kakanta, may street dancing, may street dance, at marami pang kung anik-anik, no. Diyan na lang kayo manood ng putukan. Sabi ni Kuya Justin Rice, 3:43 PM pa lang dito, nasa office pa ako. Aba, may pasok pa? Kalain mo, no? December 31, sa bagay. Ganun talaga. Private company eh. Pag private company, wala kang magagawa. Well, yung dito kasi yung government, alam mo, nag-declare na nung last month. Okay, so again, Happy New Year sa inyo dyan. Kuya Justin Rice, Bahrain. Ayan. Sa Japan naman, si Ate Tess Hernandez. And sino ba yung mga nandito dito? Ayan. Nasa live stream natin. Buksan nga natin. Tingnan ko ha, pasilip nga. Pakitanggal yung damit. Yung cover. Sisilip ako. Silipin ko yung mga nasa live stream. Ayan. Okay. Okay, nasaan na yun? May binabasa ako biglang nawala eh. Ano nangyari? Panay ang glitch ng pasensya na, namamatay-matay yung ilaw kanina, nagkakaroon tayo ng technical problem. Technical tip. Alam mo na, New Year, maraming ayan. Shout out sa Team Pogi. Ayan, si Kuya Eugene Ebreo, Eric Mislan, Ronelio Soli, Sandro Basilio, Joseph Eric Calma. Ayan. Congrats sa achievements mo this 2025, Team Pogi. Ay, nako, Team Pogi. Ay, ang saya. Okay. Tapos again sa Subic Bay Food Festival, I will be back tomorrow ha. January 1. New Year. Ako yung videoke master doon, ako yung MC. Magkakatuwaan tayo. Ang saya every night. Sali po kayo, join kayo. Promise. Kahit tanungin niyo pa yung mga nandoon, ang saya-saya namin doon gabi-gabi, no? 'Di ba no, Sir Derek Quijano Manuel, sila Kuya Nel. Yan, and everybody there. Yan, pati yung mga tropa natin from G1 Entertainment Productions nag-entertain sa inyo gabi-gabi. Yan, tsaka si Kuya Mickey Perez and his group of artists. May group of artists na pinapadala lagi. Ito si Kuya Mickey Perez, no? Ang saya-saya. Okay. So join us at the Subic Bay Food Festival. Yan, except tonight. Pero yeah, may fireworks display doon. And again, sa SM City Olongapo Downtown, meron ding fireworks display mamaya. Okay? So hayaan yung sila na yung magpaputok sa inyo. Wag na kayo yung magpaputok. Delikado eh. Countdown! 3 hours, 13 minutes, and 50 seconds to 2026 until it's 2026. Lapit na yan. Kahapon naman, Rizal Day, no? How was your Rizal Day? Ayan. Pag-alala sa Pambansang Bayani kahapon. Yung paggunita natin kahapon, ika-129 na yun, ha? Na anibersaryo ng pagkamatay ng Pambansang Bayani. Tuwing 30th, hindi birthday ni Rizal yun. Ano yun? Yun yung martyrdom day niya. Yung araw na binaril siya, no? Sa Luneta. Okay? So, sinong gustong sumunod? Na mabaril sa Luneta. Speaking of fireworks display sa downtown, eto, invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo City, Central, and Downtown. Okay? Happy Three Kings! Your royal holiday adventure begins the moment you walk through our doors. Eat, celebrate, and pose like a king. Celebrate like a king, eat like a king, and pose like a king at SM City Olongapo Central and Downtown. Happy Three Kings celebration is from January 4 to 6, 2026, both SM Central and Downtown. Santa's making his list, and so should you. Shop till 10 p.m. this holiday season at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. We're open longer to make gift-giving easier and merrier. Okay, see you at the SM store, your everyday store. December 1 to 30 is 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. na, ha? Binago na ang SM store holiday store hours. December 1 to 30, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pero 31 ngayon. So, 7 p.m. lang muna. Kasi syempre, mag-New Year naman sila. Kayo naman, no? January 1, close muna ang holiday store hours ng SM City Downtown. SM Store, ha? SM Store yan, ha? Okay? Okay, Merry Christmas from SM Appliance Center. Alright? enjoy your special gift of 5% off on featured appliances with our year-end specials. Present your Smack or Smack Prestige card December 26 to 31 hanggang today, no? 5% off on select items. Yan, okay? And also, end of season sale. New year, new reasons to shop. End of season sale is happening from January 2 to 11 with up to 70% off on great finds. And check out the holiday sale at Our Home, okay? Enjoy Our Home's last leg of holiday sale with up to 80% off on mattresses, 70% off on furnitures, and 50% off on home decors and accessories. Plus, select past season favorites. They are now on the sales floor for at 50% off December 1 to January 1, 2026. Rest Redefined Snooze Nook is now open at SM City Olongapo downtown. Take a break from the rush and enjoy a calm moment located at the level 3 Snooze Nook, SM Downtown. And again, the Holiday Hollywood fireworks display is tonight, December 31, 12 midnight. Okay? Join us as we count down to 2026 at the SM City Olongapo downtown perimeter, mall perimeter area. The sweetest deal of the season is here. Conti's buy any 5 cookies in a jar, including pulverons, and get 1 free lengua di gatto. And check out the Cloud Dancer cakes at Conti's, featuring crinkle cheesecake, turtle pie, strawberry shortcake, and mango bravo. Ground level, SM Central, Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. And meet the new Hazelnut Crunch, Caramia's Sweet 16 holiday treat for you. Unwrap the flavors, check out the every layer, and make this your new centerpiece this season. Caramia is located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And Conti's Festive Favorites 28th Anniversary Celebration. Check out the Conti's Festive Favorites Golden Pork Knuckles, Chicken Galantina, Homemade Ham Roll, and soon to be offered Beef Marconitos. This is available or good for 6 to 8 persons. All right, delivery or takeout. Conti's is at the ground level, SM Central. And also from Conti's, your favorite treats now comes with new adorable companions. Introducing Bravi and Friends, our limited edition bag charms designed to bring delight to your gifting celebrations. Okay, check it out at the Conti's, Bravi and Friends. Conti's is at the ground level, SM Central. Okay. Slay for Prices promo happening at Tom's World, 4th level of SM City, Olongapo Central. That's where the Tom's World is located. Okay? Avail of the 70 plus 40 promo, tokens promo for only 350 pesos. Get special prizes when you avail, okay? Slay for Prices at the Tom's World ground level or 4th level, SM City Olongapo Central. All right, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo downtown. Okay, in time check, 3 hours, 7 minutes exactly before... Oh, it just turned 3 hours, 6 minutes, and 55 seconds. Countdown to 2026. All right. And for this radio show, we only have 6 minutes left. Okay, so I'm gonna be leaving you soon. Dahil ako rin, syempre, makiki-countdown to 2026 din, ano? Ayan. Well, from all of us here at Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, we would like to greet everybody a happy New Year. May we all have a prosperous New Year. Prosperous 2026 for everybody is what we're wishing for. From all of us here at Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, Olongapo. And we're looking forward towards more listenership with you guys. So always tune in dito sa Radyo Bandera, ha? 107.1 News FM. Soon, baka maging ano na kami, baka maging 24/7 na to. You know? Right now, we sign off during midnight, pero who knows? In the future, okay? So, yeah, I would like to thank everybody for joining me. Salamat sa pag-join ninyo sa aking New Year special. Ayan, ang aking Bandera Night Jam radio show. Okay? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And mag-ingat tayo sa mga paputok. Ha? Yung mga nagpapaputok naman, be responsible, no? Okay? Yung, di ba, kailan lang yung ano, no? May 12-year-old na namatay. Naku, kawawa naman. Alam nyo ba yung nangyari noon? Yung paputok na kung tawagin, Goodbye Philippines. Diyos ko po, ang lakas-lakas noon. Konti na lang dinamita na yun eh. Yung Goodbye Philippines na paputok, napulot kasi nila. The night before, may nagpaputok noon, may nagsindi, dalawa. Pumuntok yung isa hindi. Ayun nga, yung hindi naputok, hindi man lang nila tinapon ng maayos or dinispatch siya ng maayos, no? So napulot ng dalawang bata and sinindihan nila. Kaso pag sindi nila, something went wrong. Siguro sumobrang iksi na yung mitya. Pagkasindi, wala pa, isang segundo lang, bang! Nasabugan silang dalawa. Ayun, nakasurvive yung isa, pero yung isa, hindi kasing palad, hindi sinuwerte, pumanaw, no? Okay? So, yung mga magpapaputok naman, maging responsable tayo, ha? Isipin nyo may mga batang kinaumagan, pupulot niyan. Mas maganda, wala nang pupulutin bukas, no? Iligpit nyo na, okay? Para yung mga hindi pumutok, kayo naputukan. Kayo naman yung nagpapaputok di ba? Pangit naman na yung iba yung mapuputukan, samantalang kayo yung nagpapaputok, di ba? Hindi naman tayo nag-wish ng masama sa kapwa, pero kung kayo yung nagpapaputok, di ba dapat mas deserve na kayo yung maputukan kaysa yung ibang inosenteng bata na naglalaro lang, kinaumagaan. Pero mas mabuting wala nang putukan. Ano? Mag-ano na lang kayo, magtorotot na lang kayo, no? Yung kung may kapitbahay kayong maganda, torototin nyo. Ibig sabihin, hipan ng torotot para umingay, parang gano'n. No? Iba naman iniisip nyo. Si Mahal yan, pwede mong torototin. Si Mahal mo. Mahal mo yan May authorized. Okay, siya. Maraming salamat for joining me. Thank you once again, everybody. This has been the December 31 New Year's Eve edition of Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy G. Ayan, maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Ayan, okay? May mga nag-message sa akin. Basahin ko nga. Sandali. Shout out muna kay Ate Tess. Ayan, Hernandez. Si Kuya Justin Rice, Manuel Samson, Happy New Year. Ricky Antipolo, Happy New Year. Weng Rapanan, Happy New Year. Albert de Los Angeles, Happy New Year sa'yo. Sino pa? Meron pa. Ito pa. Teka, sandali Okay, magulo. Greet natin lahat. Huwag natin batiin, baka masarapan. The Julian family, of course. Ayan sila, Sir Jepro, si Idol July Julian. Ayan. And si Idol Kafer. Ayan. Kafer and Madam G. Happy New Year sa inyo, ha? And the Julian family. The entire cast of the Julian household. Pati rin si Kuya Bin Quijado. Ayan, he's also there. Happy New Year, Kuya Bin, ha? Darren Rondael, Happy New Year. Samuel Sadial, Happy New Year. Basahin ko yung mga mensahe nyo. Teka, sandali. Salamat sa mga nag-share nga pala ng video din. Oo. Tinatry kong basahin. Ba't ganun? Minsan ayaw mag-open, no? Ayan. Happy New Year. Ano daw yung tomolo? Sabi ko, tobeg. Okay, eto na. Ayun, okay, bumukas din. Sa wakas kanina ay bumukas no? Happy holidays sa inyong lahat. Ayan, kila Justin Rice na nasa office in Bahrain. Kuya Tess Hernandez. Tsaka yung mga nagpapaingay ng tambutso sa baba, umaabot dito sa taas. Okay, time is up for me. Everybody, Happy New Year! Here's Green Department. My final song for you guys. With this song is called Shota ng Bayan. Wala yung song na